My 15-112 term project, I'm coding Miss Pac-Woman, which is basically another Pac-Man game. And basically, if you press H for help, you can see the instructions page, which tells you the goal of Miss Pac-Woman and how to play. You'll use the arrow keys, and then each dot is 10 points. And then the power-up dots are 50, and each ghost will be 200. And then there's also a portal that lets you wrap around. And then you click here to return to the menu, click here for the high scores. The high scores restart every time you reopen the program. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, here's Miss Pac-Woman, and there are the ghosts. When the game begins, the ghosts all begin in the ghost box, and they will initially go towards their zone. So their zone, each of them has their own dot. The big power-up dot is their zone, and so they'll all go. Some of them take a shorter path than others, and then after they reach their zone, they recalculate their path, and then their target, instead of their zone, becomes Mrs. Pac-Woman. As you see, when you eat the power-ups, the ghosts become blue, and this allows Miss Pac-Woman to be able to eat the ghosts herself instead of them eat her. The code for the ghosts uses the maze-solving algorithm that I edited to it looks for the best possible direction initially that would take them closer to Miss Pac-Woman, and then or their target if their zone is if their target is their zone. But so they pick the path. So it ranks the directions in that order. So as you see, when the dots are all eaten, the next level begins, and the ghosts get significantly faster. And you'll see that if I hit a ghost, they'll kill me, and it'll display the top score and your score. And then if you want to restart the game, you press R, and it'll take you back to the main menu, where if you click here, you can see the high scores again. H is still help, and P to begin. And it restarts from level 1. In the top left corner, you'll notice it shows your score. So you can see that it increments by 10 each time the small dots are eaten, and by 50 when the large dots are eaten. And then if I can get a ghost, it will increment by 200. And then in the top right hand corner, you'll see that there is, it tells you the amount of dots you have left. So when your dots reach 0, the next level will begin. And that is my 15-112 term project. Thank you.